guys, it's your girl Nicole. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for clicking on my video. And as you can see by the title, I am doing a review on this facial mist that I received. I received it from Influencer. I already opened it. I took the clear seal off of it. It comes with a postcard inside, and it just shows me the other products of this line. They also have the Soothing Cleansing Milk, which is this one, and they have the 3-in-1 moisturizer. So it looks like this. A very cute bottle. Apparently it can be used in 101 ways. They list 4 different ways on the back of this card. It says number 1 is prime time. You can use the mist as a primer and for extra moisture before makeup. Number 37 is midday moisture. If your skin is drying out, just mist it in the afternoon to keep your face hydrated and glowing. 12, it says get set, so you know after applying, you can lightly mist to hydrate and set your makeup. Number 57 is beauty blender. You know you just mist your makeup brushes or your blender because it should be damp before applying your makeup. It's a vegan formula, so to all the vegans out there, you know you can use this. It has 99% naturally derived ingredients. It is a soothing facial mist. It is made with rose water, and rose water is pretty good for hydrating your face, I've heard. This should be good, and I'm going to be honest, like I've recently started doing my makeup over the couple of years. Some things I haven't tried yet, and because I have sensitive skin. So facial mist, this is my first time trying it, and I'm glad that I received this because I wanted to try a facial mist. I just didn't know which one. I'm going to show you guys how this does. My makeup's already done. It's the end of the day. So basically what I'm going to be doing is hydrating my face, and it also would be considered hydrating it to set your makeup. Let's get into that part. According to the bottle, you have to mist it 12 to 15 inches from the face with your eyes and mouth shut whenever skin needs a boost of refreshment. So here we go. Please close your mouth because you're going to be coughing. Do not do that, okay? Alright, so let me get up close. You see my face? Now, here we go. So you know you just do a little dance as you fan all of the extraness off. So as you can see, it's very hydrating. When you spray it, very lightweight, of course. Doesn't feel sticky or dried out. My skin feels pretty good. So as of right now, I would say this is a 8 out of 1 through 10 on my scale because the smell is great. It's not strong. It's not overbearing. 2 is it really does soothe and hydrate. It feels hydrating. And 3 is it is a cute package. So the only reason I may not like this product is if it was to make me break out. But I don't see any changes. My skin don't feel itchy, and hopefully that don't change. Let me know what you think. If you try it, leave a comment down below. Also, I have to let you guys know that I received these products for free, you know, just for testing purposes only. If you would like to do the same, all you have to do is download the Influencer app. If you like free stuff and you love things that's trending, then this is your thing. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just trying to put you guys on. It goes by how much your social medias impact. I think I have my Facebook and my Instagram and my Twitter on there, and then it counts everything up, and depending on how many followers you got, friends, etc., you know, that all adds up. 2 is that you have to review some products from time to time, like I'm talking about reviews. I just choose to do the video because I feel like I want to actually show you guys, but basically, if you're not into doing videos, all you gotta do is write the review on the actual product website or wherever they tell you to. And it's like a campaign, so you earn your badges. So if you complete the whole thing, you earn a badge. And yeah, that's all you gotta do. Sometimes people say it's hard, but I've been getting quite a few Vox boxes. So my name is Nicole P on there. Hopefully you can find me. But yeah, I'll link the app down below. And yeah, that's about it for this video, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this. I hope this helps someone out, and if you want to try it out, you'll go buy it now. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get the subscribers up. Let's get them up to 600 or more. This is really awesome. Like, I appreciate all of my subscribers, supporters. I call you guys my supporters because you mean a lot to me. And yeah, let's just keep making this go up and up and up. And I'll catch you guys again in my next video. Bye.